Ever wondered why golden retrievers are so popular? Well, the answer lies in their rich history. Let's take a step back in time to the mid-19th century, to the misty moors of Scotland. This is where the story of the golden retriever begins. These dogs were initially bred for a very practical purpose, to retrieve. As their name suggests, they were the perfect companions for hunters, specially trained to retrieve shot waterfowl during hunting. Their soft mouths were perfect for the task, ensuring that the bird was returned undamaged. The man responsible for breeding the first golden retriever was none other than Lord Tweedmouth. Yes, you heard that right, Lord Tweedmouth. He wanted to create a breed that was not only efficient in retrieving game from both water and land, but also a breed that was loyal and good-natured. His breeding program began with Naus, a yellow-colored retriever he acquired from a cobbler. Naus, the progenitor of the breed, was a dog of exceptional intelligence and temperament. His lineage was carefully cultivated, with Lord Tweedmouth crossing him with the now extinct Tweed Water Spaniel, known for its excellent swimming abilities. The result was 4 puppies, the first of the Golden Retrievers. Over the years, through selective breeding, these dogs have retained their retrieving abilities, but they've also evolved into much more. Today, they're known for their intelligence, their adaptability, and perhaps most importantly, their friendly and affectionate nature. Their history, however, is not just limited to the hunting grounds of Scotland. Over the centuries, they've served in various roles all over the world. They've been therapy dogs, service dogs, search and rescue dogs, and of course, they've been valued members of countless families known for their friendly behavior and tolerance towards children. So golden retrievers have been man's best friend for centuries, but what makes them so special? Golden retrievers aren't just beautiful, they have a personality to match. Golden retrievers are synonymous with a set of traits that set them apart. Chief among these is their intelligence, a quality that makes them remarkably easy to train. This is why you often see them in roles that require a sharp mind and quick learning, like service dogs and search and rescue dogs. Their uncanny ability to comprehend and follow commands is truly a sight to behold. But it's not just their smarts that make them stand out. Golden retrievers are known for their friendliness, a trait that has endeared them to millions worldwide. Their warm and welcoming nature makes them excellent companions, always eager to greet you with a wagging tail and an infectious enthusiasm. They have a love for life and a zest for fun that is, quite simply, irresistible. Yet there's more to these dogs than their intelligence and friendly demeanor. Golden retrievers are incredibly adaptable. They can thrive in a variety of environments, from bustling city apartments to sprawling country estates. This adaptability extends to their social interactions as well. They get along famously with humans and other animals alike, making them a joy to have around. These traits, intelligence, friendliness, and adaptability, combine to make the Golden Retriever a truly remarkable breed. They excel in roles that require empathy and understanding, such as therapy dogs. Their intuitiveness allows them to sense human emotions and respond with comforting presence, a quality that has proven invaluable in hospitals, nursing homes, and schools around the globe. As family pets, their friendly and adaptable nature means they fit seamlessly into or with the family unit, cohabiting with other pets and showing a remarkable tolerance for children. Their love for play and exercise makes them great companions for kids, keeping them entertained and active. In essence, Golden Retrievers embody the best qualities we look for in a canine companion. They are intelligent, friendly, adaptable, and above all, they possess a heart full of love and loyalty for their human family. But how do these traits translate to their behavior? Let's find out. Golden Retrievers are more than just pretty faces, their behavior sets them apart. This breed is known for its exceptional tolerance towards children. They are patient and gentle, often enduring the clumsy affection of the youngest family members with a wagging tail and a contented sigh. Their love for play and exercise is another defining trait. A game of fetch in the backyard or a brisk walk around the block is not just a way to keep them fit, but also a source of immense joy for these gregarious canines. Golden Retrievers are not just active, but they're also incredibly smart. They love to engage in activities that stimulate their minds and challenge their skills. Puzzle toys, agility courses, and even hide-and-seek games are some of the ways to keep their intelligence sharp and their spirits high. However, their energy and intelligence are balanced by their gentle nature. Goldens are one of the few breeds that can switch from play mode to relax mode in a heartbeat. They love to relax, snuggle, and be part of the family's quieter moments. They're as content lounging on the couch as they are chasing a ball in the park. Golden Retrievers are social butterflies. They thrive on companionship and are happiest when they are part of the family's daily activities. They have a strong dislike for loneliness and can become anxious if left alone for long periods. Their need for social interaction extends beyond their human family. Goldens are often friendly towards other dogs and even other animals. However, their friendly nature should not be mistaken for a lack of loyalty. Golden Retrievers are fiercely loyal to their families, and their protective instinct is strong. They may not be guard dogs, but they will not hesitate to protect their loved ones if they sense danger. So, the Golden Retriever's behavior makes it a family favorite, but what about its current status? Golden Retrievers have secured a special place in the hearts of dog lovers around the world. This statement is not just a sentimental exaggeration, but a reflection of the genuine affection this breed enjoys globally. In terms of popularity, the Golden Retriever consistently holds its own. According to the American Kennel Club, it has been among the top 5 most popular breeds for nearly 3 decades. Over in the United Kingdom, it is ranked amongst the top 10, and in Australia, it's nestled comfortably in the top 20. But it's not just in our homes these dogs have found their place. Golden Retrievers have also been a popular choice in the world of entertainment. Consider the number of movies and television shows that have featured this breed in starring roles. From the adventurous Shadow in Homeward Bound to the mischievous Marley in Marley and Me, Golden Retrievers have a knack for stealing the spotlight. Beyond the glitz and glamour of Hollywood, Golden Retrievers have found a more meaningful role in society. They are often chosen as therapy and service dogs, and for good reason. Their intelligence, coupled with their gentle and patient nature, makes them excellent companions for those in need. Their versatility doesn't end there. Golden Retrievers are also employed in search and rescue operations. Their keen sense of smell, coupled with their natural love for water, makes them an invaluable asset in such situations. In the world of dog shows, Golden Retrievers are no strangers to success. With their striking golden coats, friendly disposition, and impressive agility, they've trotted their way to numerous awards and titles. So, whether it's in our homes or on our screens, in therapy sessions or in rescue missions, Golden Retrievers have proven their worth time and time again. They've shown us that they're more than just a pretty face. They're reliable, they're capable, and they're beloved. Golden Retrievers have certainly made their mark, haven't they? So why are Golden Retrievers so popular, you might ask? Well, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed in this video. We began our journey by diving into the rich history of Golden Retrievers. We discovered that they originated in the mid-19th century in Scotland, bred by Lord Tweedmouth to be the perfect hunting companions. The breed's strength, endurance, and ability to retrieve game unharmed quickly made them a favorite among hunters and nobility alike. Next, we explored the defining traits of Golden Retrievers. Their intelligence and adaptability are truly remarkable, enabling them to excel in a variety of roles. From being service dogs and therapy dogs to aiding in search and rescue missions, their versatility is simply astounding. Moreover, their friendly and tolerant nature makes them perfect family companions, beloved by children and adults alike. We then delved into the behavior of these golden-furred canines. We found out that their affectionate and eager to please nature is what sets them apart. They are patient, obedient, and exhibit an unending willingness to learn. Their social nature means they get along well with other animals and humans, but like any other breed, they require proper training and socialization from a young age. Lastly, we discussed the current status of Golden Retrievers. Today, they are one of the most popular and loved breeds all over the world. Their popularity extends beyond family homes and into the realms of show rings and competitive sports. They're also highly valued for their work in therapy and assistance roles, demonstrating their continued contribution to society. So there we have it, the Golden Retriever, a breed that combines a storied history, a range of remarkable traits, a lovable behavior, and an impressive status. A breed that embodies versatility, intelligence, and an unwavering loyalty. A breed that, despite its popularity, never fails to surprise us with its capacity to love and serve. From their rich history to their lovable nature, it's easy to see why Golden Retrievers continue to win hearts around the world.